I put up a little blurb there on my Facebook in English that 51% of the new generation has a positive look to socialism. This is surprising, being that most of them were raised by capitalistic dollars to help support their educational system. And it is really terrible news for America, and for Americans who understand that this country was based upon hard work and capitalism. And yet we see all around us how socialism is destroying countries and people. And yet not one word is said. And yet we still continue to support a party who has gone far left than we could ever imagine. And then we get news from places like France of the burnings of churches, of the killings in Sri Lanka, of Christians, and of the attacks of Israelis and IDF installations. Then we ask ourselves, what the heck is wrong with our world? My friends, our world has a big problem. They love to support the wrong causes. They love evil. That's the fact. And anything that represents the destruction of good, that's what they vote for or vote against. We have a couple of members in our Congress who are in like mind members, which I would call of the Democratic Party. You heard it right, Democratic. Why? Because they represent the very demons of this country that wage war against those of us who believe in God, who believe in country, who believe that there is a right and wrong, that there are ethical values based on the Bible, the Torah, the Scripture. Yet even our own people, unfortunately, vote the wrong way because they want to be so compassionate to people who want to kill you, who want to destroy you, who want to harm you. Wake up, Jews! Time to wake up and stop the stupidity that you've been fed all this life. Time to wake up and get back to Torah, get back to biblical values. It's about time, don't you think, to wake up and get back, get right with God, get right with this country? This country needs leaders, not wimps who are always wimping around talking about the new wave of social liberalism and how it's going to help everybody and break the economy and break the back of the individual. This is Moshe Otero, and I hope you share this to those who really care. Shalom.